What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We're back at the shop, and if you caught the last couple of uploads, we had more vehicles show up, and today, guess what? More vehicles showing up, so let's go see what we got. Look at here.
It won't. The battery, there's an alarm or something on it that's causing it to drain. The hazards are flashing with the button off, with the switch off. And
this one's been sitting a minute, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's like it ain't gonna get no love, huh?
No.
No, it ain't. He was ready to sell it with it not even running.
Oh, wow. And look, we got in the house.
I think we finally kind of influenced him to get back motivated on it.
Well, good, because he's playing in Alaska right now.
Yeah.
We know that. But anyway, Mustangs of the Mid-South right there. If you guys are anywhere near the Memphis area, holler at my boy Nick Strong. So, is this going to be yours or what?
Man, I don't know. I mean, I'm just really glad to get Patrick back motivated on it more than anything.
Yeah, definitely.
I mean, I'd like to have it. I don't know, though, you know.
I mean, this thing has been sitting a while.
But he has a gray 19 GT that matches it perfectly, so it's kind of like if he held on to
Yeah.
it, didn't.
That's a good looking car too.
Oh,
He's got
yeah.
the premium wheels on it and stuff, but all right, so oh man,
This car was one of the first coyote swap cars.
It probably was in 20. That's crazy.
Yeah, they swapped. The guys who owned it swapped it with a truck motor back in like 2013.
That's crazy.
Is the battery up here? Or back here?
A batter's in the trunk.
It's in the trunk.
Like I said, I mean, you know, Patrick kind of like was down on it for a minute, like working and stuff.
Yeah.
Got back to work, had lost issues with it, didn't really have to deal with it.
Yeah.
So like now he's kind of back on his feet and things are going, you know, turned around for him.
And see, I saw this car. It's been a while, but I was like, man, this was probably one of the first swaps I ever saw. And I was
I
like,
think
man,
the first one's done.
yeah, I don't doubt it. I mean, being built back in the day.
Yeah, this car was super clean, right?
I'm sure, like compared to the cars that Joe, I'm sure he'll look at this thing's missing so much, like you know.
Maybe.
I mean, I'm sure the swap stuff's came along.
Oh yeah, it's definitely going far, but
I mean, this thing's got the potential to be a badass, beautiful car.
yes, sir.
I mean, you'd be surprised what a little soaking water will do for this.
Oh yeah, exactly. And these wheels are sweet.
And then look, he's got the California 5.0 gauges in it, all cold.
Yeah. All right, y'all. We're gonna get this thing down and take a look at it.
SSP car, we're bringing the numbers on it.
That's awesome. So SSP and the swap. Oh, there's the box for the CNL. Yeah, okay, I see it. Yeah.
You can try it, Dover, but I think it's been setting up so long that
Let's see.
yeah, because
Try and see what you got.
We got pump. Might take a minute.
nope.
No?
Probably give it a minute. Yeah.
It didn't even like click or nothing, though.
Yeah, but it did more than when we jumped it off of Don's diesel truck. Yeah, at least it clicked.
I didn't hear the starter or nothing click.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, it did?
Barely. Heard it click a little bit.
Try it again.
It's clicking.
Well, the solenoid's clicking, not the starter. I guess the solenoid firewall. However, these are these mini starters with solenoids on them?
Yeah.
They don't have one on the firewall? Yeah, he don't.
She's there. Bring her back.
Well, hold on.
You're good.
Yeah, just stay the wheel straight.
I like that long dovetail. Oh, let's see.
Go back here from there.
Get her pushed up out of the way. Into the shade.
No doubt.
There you go. All right, hit your brake. All right. Hey, pop that hood again, will you, Nick? All right, let's see what we're working with here. Man,
Is it, man?
this is like,
It's got all the potential in the world.
Oh yeah, I mean this is before Power by the Hour.
Yeah, like I said, this is probably one of the first ones ever done.
Plus the computer harness and all that's under here, and it's stretched real tight.
Like everything that's not done right on it because it was one of the very first.
They didn't really know
first
about
one. I mean,
anything. Or...
It's got hydro boost. It's got power steering. I've never seen this bracket set up.
AC on it?
Looks like it, yeah. No.
Right there at the bottom, huh?
Yeah, now that's wild. The power steering and the air are right there on this side. That's different. I like it.
I mean, is that how they come normally factory?
No, that's electric power steering factory. And
Right
it's
here?
in the rack. Yeah, that's a 9904 power steering pump.
Okay.
This looks good though.
He's the one with the money.
Looks real good.
Oh yeah.
It's fast too for what it was.
Oh, yeah, for us.
Yeah, I hadn't seen this car since 2017.
You can unlock and check it out.
Is it yeah, there we go.
So you've seen this car before.
Yeah, he was at the first Ford takeover.
That's right. Yep, that's right.
Got cobalt gauges, shift light,
You're right, you got it, and then after that it started getting issues.
Corbo seats. What transmission's in it, Nick?
T56.
Okay. Very nice.
Wheelwood brakes on it.
Yeah, there's a lot of nice parts on this thing.
It's had a fair amount of money.
He wants to sell those Willwoods because he wants to go with the SN95 instead of the Fox spindle setup. So he's going to try to get
Yeah,
rid
I
of
got
that,
Willwood
so
6 pistons
I
on it.
don't know if that might be interesting to swap out the Cobra for him or something. He would do that.
I think he said that he's having a hard time finding wheels that will clear those. Like,
Yeah, this is neat.
That's right,
And got the boost gauge just in case,
Spindle on the
because you never know.
So when I
Neat
put
little
the
car.
SN95, I put a 98 Cobra.
All right, guys. So I hope you're excited to see this. We're gonna get this thing back. Gonna get it back right as well. Figure out why it's having starting issues, and it's also got another issue. Nick and Matt were talking about the something with the coolant temperature sensor. Once it hits 200 degrees, it goes into limp home mode. So we're gonna take a look at that. And I think Patrick is wanting to have us finish up his air conditioning, which we might do that as well. Not sure what kind of projects are going to be on this, but this is a super cool little car. And like I said, Gen 1 Coyote, T56. I mean, what's not to love? And I think these wheels are just sweet. I mean, you never see these. These are old school center lines. But neat little car. Appreciate everybody dropping this thing off. We will have it back ready to rock very, very short. So that is what is up. If you're new to the channel, there is a lot going on, and this car, you're gonna see a lot of this here coming soon. Be the 2.34 cylinder to pushrod 5.0 swap. Going to be 4-lug, stock K member, stock suspension, and we're going to make this eventually just look like a nice clean 5-liter 5-speed Aero 8793 notchback. So I'm super pumped about that. We got Todd's Coyote swap over there. We got the GT that we just chested the motor on. We've got a wagon that needs a V8, you know. Another white GT over there. Just lots and lots of cool projects going on. I promise if you like anything Ford, especially Fox Body, this is the place for you. So please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Guys, I do try to get in the comments when I have some time and look for your feedback. My email is also always in the description, so shoot me an email. Sorry about the wind. About the kind of stuff you want to see. We do have a 68 F100 out back that maybe at some point will happen, and then all the cars in shop. So trying to bring you as much of a variety of cool Ford content as we possibly can. We even got an LS swap Chevy in there, for God's sake. But I'm not going to give that much attention. Okay, maybe just a little bit. All right, so in the meantime, smash that subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll catch up with you next time. Later.